First and foremost, what you need to do is open up the App Store and make sure you look up Snapchat. And then open this up. Don't ignore the step, guys. Make sure you have the version that I have here, at least this. Or later, right, you have to have 12.31.0.48. You guys get, at least you need to have this or the latest, right? Latest by the time I'm filming this is the latest version that I have. You haven't updated, make sure you update it. Once you update it, then you can go ahead and open it up here. When you open up your Snapchat and let go, you guys can see me here. This is what you get if you just swipe to the left. If you have the My AI, how it's going to pop up if you open this up. This is how the My AI chatbot looks like. With this chatbot, you can have any conversations that you can think of. But before we get to that, let me show you guys how it used to be back in the day. Back in the day, you had to go to your Bitmoji here and then click on Snapchat Plus and pay the subscription to get access to this My AI, but no longer. You don't have to pay. It's part of the free version of Snapchat. You can have a conversation here, as you guys can see right now. I'm screen recording. It's detecting this. Let's see what kind of conversation you can have. You can have a very simple, like a human to human small talk conversation. Or you can ask very deep questions from this My AI. I can say, hey, it's going to immediately good over here, as guys can see nothing. See, let's just give this a try. Answers, or maybe you could try, no, I'm good bro, how old are you? Oh, okay, so you are lonely. See, as you guys can see, it can talk to you almost like I see, like it's laughing, it's reacting to my chats. It's very interesting. This is how you can have a small talk with this My AI chatbot. But if you want to ask deeper questions, for example, you can say how to film a YouTube video, like more advanced questions like this. So you can say, to film a YouTube video you need a camera, microphone, editing software. You can use smartphone camera or DSLR camera to film. You guys get the idea. You can even ask even more deeper, more possible questions, like what's the most important things in life. Let's see how it responds. That's a great question. The most important things in life can be different for everyone, but some common things that people value: our family, friends, health, happiness, and personal growth. It's important to figure out what's most important to you and to focus on those things in life. You guys get the idea. If you want to have a deep conversation with AI, almost like a human to human form, more natural form, I think using the Snapchat's My AI is very good idea.